Hello. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install the Clearly Anywhere Softphone app for an iPhone or Android smartphone. You will first need to log in to your user control panel to access the QR code you will use to provision your smartphone app. First, browse to the link given to you by the phone system administrators. Log in using the username and password assigned to your Clearly Anywhere smartphone. Your username will be your phone's extension number. You should have received your password from your phone system's administrators. The first time you log into UCP, you will see a welcome pop-up. You can click End Tour. Your browser may ask you to allow or block notifications. In this example, we will select Allow. Next, we need to create a new dashboard. Click on the screen to add a new dashboard. In this example, we will use the extension number of the phone we are going to be using. Click Create Dashboard. Next, select the plus symbol at the top left-hand side of the screen. There are many widget options available, but the one we want to select is the Softphone provisioning widget. Click the plus symbol on the provisioning widget to add it to your dashboard. You now need to download the Clearly Anywhere Softphone app onto your smartphone. If you are using an iPhone, select the App Store. If you are using an Android, you can find the Clearly Anywhere app on the Google Play Store. Inside the App Store, search for Clearly Anywhere. Download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you have the option to scan a QR code. Select Scan QR. Your phone may give you a pop-up stating Clearly Anywhere would like to access the camera. Select OK. Now, use your phone's camera to scan the QR code in your browser. Wait for the app to provision. Your phone may ask to send you notifications. Select Allow. Next, you will get a pop-up requesting access to your contacts. Select Allow. You are now ready to use the Clearly Anywhere Softphone app on your smartphone.